Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify randomly stopping. To know how to fix or solve Spotify randomly stopping, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.